Hopp Wix tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you a product from Wix which is going to be called Hopp, and it is going to be, as you can see on the presentation page, a link in bio website that will help you manage your different links, set up a store or a direct store from Wix to your specific link in bio page from Hopp, and you can link it to Instagram, or you can link it also for TikTok. So how you can start within this platform, either you are going to type in hopp.co, or you can go ahead and head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and choose or pre-choose your website. And from here you're going to select, after you have seen the dashboard of the website, click on site and mobile app, click on Hopp link in bio. So it is going to open it from here. Then you're going to select the link in bio URL that you have, for example, like this. Click on start for free, and it is going to take you to the specific page where you can go ahead and configure the link in bio thing. So it is going to be related for your website or to your website, because you're going to launch maybe a store or something that you're going to link on it, and it is going to be from here. So maybe I'm going to use a free plan. So we're going to choose a free plan. Maybe this one. I'm going to click on use this template. This is the first thing. You're going to put your social media usernames, like the TikTok, the Instagram, X, whatever. And these are going to be showing in here. After that, you're going to click on next. And you can go ahead and add the advanced search for it. I'm not going to put that. So basically you're going to add a search bar. I'm going to skip it for now. And we can go ahead and add, for example, different elements, like here, this is the page. You can edit the page whenever you want. So it is going to be the same link. As you can see, this is the same logo. We have a free version. Also, we have the paid version, which is going to include a free domain, and it is going to be starting at $6 per month, billed yearly, not monthly. So you can have the hopp.bio slash the name of the website of yours on Wix. You can have, for example, the actions. Here we have the display. So the shown action of following me, what's new, for example, grab a discount. You can add another action like a link, for example, promote something from Wix, connect with Wix. You can add a product from Wix like that, and it is going to be a Wix store product. For example, you can add maybe a Wix store product like this, and you're going to put it as a card, a banner, or whatever. So that was for the actions. You can add social links. The content, you can modify it by modifying the profile picture, the name, the bio. You can design or put some background design colors, the fonts, and etc. Add the search bar, and finally set up everything, and then you're going to publish it. You can see the statistics or the analytics of this specific the movement on this link in bio, and then you're going to put them right away. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.